welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be unboxing my Walmart winter box. This box is not as cute as the previous ones I've received. It's just like a basic blue box. Blue is my favorite color anyway, so nothing against that. Let's just open this up and see what is inside. Alright, so first I have like a whole bunch of like pamphlets here, which I am probably never gonna read. The first product that I have here is the Reallifewithamanda Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, and this is just like a moisturizer that you obviously use on wet skin. I know that Nivea has something like this. I've never tried it before, but here I have it, so I guess I'll give it a shot and see if I like it. And this is what it looks like. Next I have something from Pantene. It's called the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. It's a treatment that targets extreme damage and helps to prevent split ends. I am all for anything that like helps to prevent split ends. It's just this little bottle here that I received. It's a trial size and it tells you how to use it. After washing your hair and using conditioner, you will apply this onto damp hair and massage it from mid-length to ends. Rinse thoroughly. It did not say how long to leave it on here though, so I'm assuming you could leave this on here for about, I would say a safe guess, 10 minutes and then rinse it out. The next product that I have in here is a lip mask. If you watch my last unboxing video, I did get a lip mask as well, which I have yet to use because I don't know, it's my lips, guys. I am super scared of using stuff on my lips and I don't know how my lips is gonna react to it. But this one is from Neutrogena. It's called the Collagen Kiss Mask, and it's said it's dermatologist tested. You should leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove the mask when done. I'm gonna eventually try this out, but I want to try it out on my day off, so you know I have some time if I have a reaction to it to recover. The next product that I do have in here is also another mask, and this one is from a brand I know nothing about. It's called Sway, I believe, S-O-O-A-E. It's from Sway, New York. It's a unicorn glow mask. So it's a unicorn glow mask. I've never heard of this brand before, but I do love a great mask, so this should be fun to give a try and see how it works. It says it's a detox and brightening mask. The next product that I have in here is a sample of the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner, and this contains oat milk and rice cream extracts. This is for like persons with like sensitive scalp. I do use some products from Garnier Whole Blends myself. I absolutely love them. I have seen these full-size products in store before and I have been a little bit curious about them, but I was never inclined to try it just because I don't have sensitive scalp. My mom would probably enjoy something like this though, because she does have sensitive scalp. Another product that I did get here is an Olay Daily Facials pad, and it's a makeup removing pad. It says it's a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, a scrub, a toner, a mask, and a cleanser. All you have to do is add water to this and it will activate the product to remove your makeup, and it just has one pad inside. The final product that is in my box is a Walmart beauty bag, and this is just like a little pouch you want to carry around with you for your little travel essentials. This is kind of cute. You can never have enough makeup bags, especially for travel, so I will be adding this to my little collection. And that is all the products that came in this box, guys. I feel like they sent like a whole bunch of hydrating and moisturizing products for hair and skin, because it is a winter season, and as we know, winter tends to dry out our skin, can cause damage to our hair, hence the split ends treatment for the hair. I do believe I got a good selection of products, especially for only $5 per season. It's a really great box to try if you have not tried it as yet. I am definitely looking forward to my spring box, and I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys again. I will leave my previous unboxing video down below if you guys have not checked it out, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.